Hi guys, it's Anjali here from Dance About Ireland, and I'm here today to teach you a simple routine to Savage Love by Jason Derulo. If you like our videos, make sure you give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more dance along videos and tutorials. Right, so for the first step, what you're going to do is you're going to step out with your right foot and push down. Pushing down with your hands, make sure they're flat. Down, down, on the other side, down, down, okay? You can also have a little bounce in your knees. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, step your foot back, and you're gonna look 5, 6, 7, 8. So make sure you look up your hands. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're gonna do a step together, step together, back together, back together. Okay? So let's try it again. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and step together, back together. Good job. Next thing, you're going to step out your right foot. You're going to go down and up. So we have to make sure we have space, and we're also bending our knees. I always say to my students that it's imagine like you're getting underneath a gate and you have to go right down low, okay? So we go down underneath and up, down and up. Excellent. And then that section starts again. So put it all together. Here we go. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and step together, step back together, back, down and up, and that repeats twice. The next section, what you're going to do is you're going to go down on your right knee, down on your right knee, bring the other knee together, step out on your right and back on your left. At the same time, you're going to stretch your arms out, reaching all the way up, and then pulling yourself down. So this is nice and slow. It goes down, down, and pull up, up, up. Then you're going to do a step touch with a muscle. Show that big muscle here, and step, touch. Excellent. From here, we step back and we slide back onto the right foot, and we point forward, and then we're going to jump, we cross our arms and land to here. Okay, so let's go to that section again. We go down, down, up, up, muscle here, slide back, and jump here. Now we're into our chorus. You're gonna lunge out to the right foot. So if you don't know what a lunge is where you transfer all your weight onto a bent knee, okay? So that leg is just supporting you, but all of the majority of your weight is onto that leg. So you can do a lunge out to the side, you can do it out to the front, but we're gonna do it out to the side for this one. At the same time, your arms are gonna come out, you spread your fingers wide, and then you're gonna step back in, fold your arms, and you do the same on the other side. And in. So that's on Savage Love. Did somebody. And you're gonna make a little heart shape, and you're gonna shake it, break your heart. Excellent. You're gonna bend your knees, hands on your lap, looking like an angel. So make sure you have a big smile here. And then we go out again. Savage Love. Bring it in. From here, this time we're gonna stomp our left foot and stretch all the way up and down. Excellent. So let's go to that chorus one more time. We go. Savage love. Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage love. And stomp. Excellent. Good job. Now, if you've been on TikTok, you will know this next move, okay? It's definitely been inspired by the TikTok dance challenge. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your left arm, you're gonna tap your right shoulder, tap the other one, and you're gonna shoot it up, other hand on your hip, and you're gonna wiggle, side to side. Then you do the same on the opposite, tap, tap, up, wiggle here, then both, tap, tap, up, wiggle, do it one more time, except this time the arm comes out, like this. Excellent. So let's mark that through again. We go, tap, tap, up, shake it, and tap, tap, up, shake it, and tap, tap, up, shake it, and tap, tap, and shake it. Good job. Right. Are you ready to mark it through from the very beginning? Let's go. Here we go. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, down we go. Step together, step. Back together, back. Down, up, down, and again. Go. 1, 2. Look, and again. 2, 3, 4. Look, and look. We go. Step together, step. Back together, back. Down, up, down, and up. Down on our knee. Down, down, up, up we go. Muscle, muscle, and slide, and jump. Horse, savage love, good job. Did some time, break your heart. Looking like an angel, savage love. Excellent, stomp the foot. Here we go. And, good job. 2 hands, up, and cross. Well done. Good job, well done. And that is the whole routine. If you've liked the video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and check out our dance along video to this routine. Thank you so much for watching.